as Zimbabwe is still to respond to SADC summit questions over its recent calls for war against Zambia. The recent renaming of Kenneth Kaunda Avenue to Fidel Castro Road in Harare, yes, rekindled controversies surrounding President Emerson Mnangagwa's political history. Sanapenda mashoko amunanyugwa panapa anoshamisa vanhu vanokona kuti aiwa pane road aiwa yanga yakanyorwa kunzi Kenneth Kaunda aiwa muHarare inoona kuti inobvisiwa that tag yoisiwa another name royanyugwa panapinzi Fidel Castro. Zvashamisa vanhu ikava macontroversies. Vanhu vari kuona kuti tension iri pakati peZimbabwe neZambia kana nemutungamiriri wekuZambia vakaenda chilema iri kutiwedzera. Sanapenda mashoko amunanyugwa panapa totibva subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Sima pictures amuri kuona video umo, it is true aiwa zviri kubuda zviexpose vanakomana vezimu aya vananyora achiti the removal of Kenneth Kaunda's name marks a symbolic and calculated move by Mnangagwa, one that undermines the legacy of Zambia's founding father and liberation icon. Mnangagwa has executed the first of his missions to attack Zambian presidents since his recent plea with the Russian government earlier in the year to assist in the plantation claims. Mnangagwa, operating as a Rhodesian mercenary, allegations undenied by him for years to date. For over 50 years since being released from prison under the guise of a liberation fighter, has been orchestrating efforts to reverse the achievements of black liberation in Zimbabwe and beyond. Thomas Kwanamdata wanakomana vemzimu aya panapachita aiwa this removal ya name ya Kenneth Kaunda by this way yabva yazoconcluda kuti aiwa tension iripo iri kutowedzera and Zimbabwe is now no longer tolerating Zambian imports. Tudze mafuro ene muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.